Okay, thank you. So if two conditions are satisfied, then we say that system is linear. First condition is called additivity and second condition is called homogeneity. This is additivity. Additivity means if there is an input x1t which corresponds to output y1t, and there is an input x2t which corresponds to output y2t. If there is an input, third input, which is obtained by adding x1t and x2t, so y1t should be added to y2t as well. आसान लफ्ज़ों में इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हमारे पास x1t और x2t हैं और y1t और y2t आउटपुट्स हैं, तो अगर हम एक तीसरी इनपुट ले लें x3t which is x1t x3, then their output should be as well, right? ना मतलब ये है मुझे is the principle of multiplied by scalar quantity. यानी a1 a से x1t को घटाएं, if we multiply x1t by a and we should obtain a by 1, so how to multiply a as well. If that means multiply x is multiplied by a, then y1 should be multiplied by a as well. And additivity, it means x1 and x2t, it adds them as a third input, then they also be added as well. If these two conditions are satisfied, we say that system is linear. Let's see whether the system is linear or not. So in the system, we put an output data y is equal to t. So this linear, we can think is, so we can intuitively see that this is linear system, but we have to prove that. So mathematically we will prove that. So how mathematically we prove that? We take input x1t which corresponds to y1t. y1t will be equal to t x1t, right? So y1t will be equal to t x1t. So x2t will be equal to the response due to x2t will be equal to y2t, and y2t is equal to t x2t from given and we will say the homogeneity by using these strands. So output to x3 will be by t x3. Whatever x3 x1 b x2t. So from t x1 equal to y1, t x equal to y and equal to y, so t and t equal to t. These are multiplied by y and b constant is multiplied by y2t. So y2t is the combination of y1t and y2t. So if we have two inputs x1t and x2t, yeah, so हमारे पास x3 is x3, so the combination of their outputs with the combination of their inputs. Mathematically show that in this way. This is and but the procedure we will adopt this procedure one example 1.17 to solve this give us. Check the linearity of this system. मुझे सिंपली ऐसे linear है या नहीं है, and that is something some ये linear होने का ये है एक्चुअली इस तरह का बनता है ये linear नहीं है basically and I equal to x2t square, right? Take x3t as a linear of x3 plus u, right? t is the linear x1 plus b x2 t. So this is we can say m plus x2 t whole square. Now this will be a square x1 square t plus b x3 square plus 2 plus b square formula. You studied in mathematics, elementary mathematics, 7, 8 class mathematics. So this formula, using this formula, write x1 t 0 x2 square t is variety of the near division a square y1 t is d. Then should besides the linearity print. So y3 t is not equal to a1 t plus a y2 t. Extra term is read here. Take extra term multiply. Due to extra linearity principle and the system is not linear, right? This is also a the linear combination of 1 to 2. The variety 3 is the linear combination of y1 t and y2 t. Extra term added here. Due to this extra term, this system. Last example. It seems that this system is linear, but this system is not linear. We verify this system. So again, follow the same formula. Take x1 the xn. Now it is in discrete time, so it will be n. So again, take x1 n as an input, and due to that, there will be output y1 n. This will be equal to, using this formula, this will be equal to 2x1 n plus 3. Put x1 n in place of x of n. Yeah, right? And we have assumed that x1 n is equal to 2 and x2 n is equal to 3 to make things simpler. So 2 x1 n will be equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Similarly, take x2t, which corresponds to output y2t. This is equal to 2x2tn plus 3. So x2t is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Right? Now again take a linear combination of output x3t, which is equal to x1t, sorry, x3n is equal to x1n plus x2n, right? So y3n will be equal to, using this formula, 2x1n plus x2n plus 3. Add x1n plus x2n, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So y3t is not the linear combination of 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is what? 16. 7 plus 9 is 16. So y3n is not the linear combination of y1n and y2n, because y3n is equal to 13 and y1n plus y2n is equal to 16, right? So why it is not linear? Due to this initial condition, this 3. This 3 is violating the linearity principle. So chapter 1 is finished, and these examples from 1.14 to 1.20 are very important examples. A question in the exam will be, maybe there may be exam question from these examples. A system will be given and you have to check the linearity using this For linearity, follow this procedure given in example 1.17. For linearity, using this principle given in 1.17, use this formula, use this method, right? This method is very important. And for linearity, for time invariance, use use method given in example 1.14. Use this example, right? Take another input of shifted version and then calculate, right? So 1.14 and 1.17. Remember these examples.
सर इंट्यूटिवली कैसे पता लगता है कि सिस्टम लीनियर है या नहीं?
ग्राफ से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल
बट
एक्स जो टी का ग्राफ है वो क्या होता है? लीनियर। ये टी का ग्राफ है, ये टी स्क्वायर का ग्राफ है। This is linear. This is non-linear.
ओके सर। सर आपने एक लीनियर के एग्जांपल में कहा कि 3 के ऐड करने से उसकी प्रॉपर्टी वायलेट होती है, 0 इन 0 आउट, वो कैसे सर?
असल में उस प्रॉपर्टी को कहते हैं 0 इन 0 आउट। यानी अगर हम x ऑफ 0 y ऑफ 0 पुट करें या x ऑफ 0 पुट करें तो y ऑफ 0 आनी चाहिए। यहाँ पे y ऑफ 0 पुट करके देखें, y ऑफ 0 क्या आ रहा है? 3 आ रहा है। ऐसे ही है ना?
यस सर।
ऐसे ही है ना? y ऑफ 0 क्या आ रहा है? 3, क्योंकि x ऑफ 0 तो 0 हो जाएगा। x of 0 0, 2 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 0 0। तो x of n अगर 0 हो तो y of x1 will be 0, it will be multiplied by 2, it will be 0। so सिर्फ 3 बच जाएगा, 3 बच जाएगा। तो y of n is 0, ये आउटपुट इज 0, x of n is 0, इनपुट इज 0, और फिर भी हमारे पास एक टर्म बच रही है 3। ठीक है? तो ये 3 जो है ये वायलेट कर रहा है 0 इन 0 आउट प्रॉपर्टी को, लीनियर सिस्टम की प्रॉपर्टी। इसे कहते हैं 0 इन 0 आउट। यानी अगर हम इनपुट सब कुछ 0 कर दें तो आउटपुट भी सब कुछ 0 हो जानी चाहिए। इसे कहते हैं 0 इन 0 आउट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लीनियर सिस्टम्स। तो 3 जो है वो लीनियर सिस्टम्स की प्रॉपर्टी को वायलेट कर रहा है। ठीक है, समझ आ गई है?
यस सर।
और कोई क्वेश्चन? इसके बाद प्रिया आप अटेंडेंस ले लें। प्रिया, आर यू देयर? It looked like Priya is not there. Khubab, can you take attendance?
ओके सर।
अटेंडेंस लेके तो एक्सेल शीट में डाल के मुझे प्राइवेट मैसेज कर देना।
ओके सर।
और नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारी फ्राइडे को 3 PM पे है, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
नेक्स्ट क्लास हमारी फ्राइडे को 3 PM पे है, ये आप याद रखिएगा। और नेक्स्ट टाइम इंशाल्लाह हम सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे। और थोड़ा सा फास्ट चलने की कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि वी आर वेरी स्लो गोइंग। कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो मैं मीटिंग एंड कर दूं? हाँ जी, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो मैं मीटिंग एंड कर दूं?
नो सर, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है।
चलें ठीक है, मैं मीटिंग एंड करने लगा हूँ। तो मैम आप अटेंडेंस लेके तो मुझे एक्सेल फाइल में डाल के तो प्राइवेटली मैसेज कर दीजिएगा।
ओके सर।